Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Wix tutorial. If you're a beginner looking to add an interactive slider to your Wix website, you've landed in just the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to search for, add, and fully customize a slider element on your Wix site, even if you're totally new to web design. So let's dive right in and get your website looking polished and professional. First things first, make sure you're on your Wix web design dashboard. This is where you control all the elements for your site. And if you're new to Wix, don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly, so you won't get lost. Go ahead and look toward the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the search bar. This little feature is like your shortcut button for quickly finding any element you'd like to add. Just click into the search bar. This opens up a world of design possibilities. Now, in the search field, type in the word slider. The reason we're searching for a slider directly is because Wix offers a variety of elements and sometimes scrolling through them can take longer. By searching, you jump straight to the slider options without any hassle. So this step saves you time and keeps your workflow efficient. Once you see the slider options pop up, take a moment to scroll through and look at the different types of sliders available. There might be image sliders, content sliders, or numerical sliders depending on your Wix plan and theme. For today, let's select a slider that you think fits your site best. Maybe you want a ratings slider, like for customer feedback, but feel free to explore. Click on the slider you want and then simply click Add. Instantly, you'll see the slider appear on your web page, ready to be customized. Now comes the fun part: modifying your slider. After adding the slider, you'll notice a settings option usually located near the slider element or up on the menu bar. Click on Settings. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can set the range for your slider. For example, if you want it to show ratings, you might set it from 1 to 12, which is exactly what we'll do here. Why set a range? Well, it determines how many choices are available for your visitors. Think of it like setting the scale for a survey, where people can select any value between 1 and 12. You'll also want to give your slider a name or label so visitors know what they're choosing. It could be ratings or anything relevant to your site. Naming things clearly really helps your users engage with your content confidently. No guessing games. Another detail to set is the default value. The default is the starting point visitors will see when they land on your page. Here, it's set to 1, but you can choose any value that makes sense for you. If you're not sure, starting at the lowest is a safe bet. Once you've set up the range, the name, and the default value, go ahead and close the settings window. Don't worry if something doesn't look right, you can always pop back into settings and tweak things further. At this stage, you have a working slider. But let's take it one step further for that polished touch. Look for the Slider Layout option. This is where you can play with how the slider appears on your page. You might change the color, adjust the size, or move it to a different spot. Imagine you're arranging furniture. A few small adjustments can make your website look much more inviting and personal. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a slider to your Wix site and make it your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. I'd love to hear how you plan to use sliders on your site, so drop a comment below with any questions or ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.